Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name's ITZEL and today I will be doing a speed cleaning of my home and also taking down all the fall decor. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already.
I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're
I'm starting out my cleaning by making my bed. This is usually the first chore that I like to do. Just getting my bed done makes me feel motivated to get the rest of my cleaning done, so that's what I usually like to do first. On this day, my house isn't too messy, it's just a little bit cluttered, and it's really about just getting the daily chores done and out of the way.
in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong, let it all out.
Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite chore to do first that gets you motivated to finish the rest of your cleaning. Mine definitely has to be my bed. It just gets me in the right mood to finish the rest of my chores, but let me know what yours is.
If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my kitchen. I do like to wash the dishes at night and just let them dry overnight. So here I am just putting all of the dishes back in its place.
All out of me.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So
I know we all have one cabinet that we just can't keep organized, and this cabinet is the one for me. This is where I keep all my big appliances, like my air fryer, crock pots, big items like that, and I just cannot get a system down that will work. Every time I need something or every time I'm putting something away, it's just crazy. So I need to figure something out.
beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Here I'm just going in with some Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and a paper towel, and I'm just gonna wipe down what needs to be wiped down so it doesn't go in to storage all dusty. So as you guys can see, I didn't have a lot of decor around for fall because I did decorate a little bit late, but hopefully next year I can decorate a lot more. That's my goal in general, to just decorate more around my house. But we'll have to wait till next year for fall. But I am super excited to get started for Christmas. I have 6 totes of just Christmas decor down in my garage, so I'm super excited to get all those out. Hopefully I can get decorating this week, and I'll have that video up for you guys soon, so stay tuned for that.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So we pretty much use our dishwasher as a giant drying rack because we rarely actually use the dishwasher to wash dishes. I didn't grow up with a dishwasher, so when I finally got one, I just felt weird using it. So I usually just hand wash them and dry them in there. Also, when we got this house, as you can see, it didn't come with a nice dishwasher. It is a little bit older, so maybe that's another reason why I feel like my dishes aren't washed correctly in there. Maybe in the future, once we get a nicer dishwasher, I will feel more comfortable using it, but for now I like to just hand wash them and let them dry in the dishwasher. I'm just going in with my Lehman, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. Their stainless steel cleaner and polishing spray. This stuff is so good. I love this stuff so much. It does such a good job on making my appliances so shiny. So if you guys want to try it, I do get mine from Walmart, just in the cleaning aisle. This is so good in shining anything that's steel, so I do recommend it. Now I'm just working on my downstairs. I just recently traded rooms for my beauty room. It used to be upstairs, but that room was really small and it was hard to film. So I moved it to this bigger downstairs room, and so far I'm really liking it. There's a lot more space. It feels less crowded. So here I'm just putting away all of my equipment that I used to film. If you're wondering why I have curtains over those closet doors, before this was my beauty room, I actually had nothing in this room. It was completely empty, and I did throw my friend's bridal shower in here, and I put up curtains as a backdrop for pictures, and I haven't taken it down, and I think I'm just going to leave it like that for now. In that closet we just have like seasonal clothes, so during winter we go ahead and store all of our summer clothes in there, and vice versa. So that's just an extra closet we have.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone.
Now I'm just putting all of my makeup away. if you can see above my vanity, there's these power boxes that look not good at all, so I'm trying to figure out something to cover them. I'm kind of thinking of making like a picture frame collage of above my vanity and try to find picture frames that will cover those, because I do not like how they look.
Blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I did have to take a little detour. After bringing in my dogs, I noticed that Ivy, the little one, smelled like urine, so I had to shower her. So here I'm just giving her a quick shower. I actually have two dogs. I have a husky and his name is Snow, and then I have this little Maltese mix and her name's Ivy. So here I'm just trying to clean her up. With her it's really hard because she doesn't shed, so anything like that sticks to her fur will just stay there. And with my husky, he sheds so much that like if he it gets dirty, he sheds so much that it'll just fall off. So I have complete opposites when it comes to them, but I love them. So here I'm just gonna finish up my cleaning by vacuuming the entire house. And that rug you see there, I just recently got that from Ross and I'm really loving it. But with two dogs in the house, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last looking white and pretty. But we'll see. I'm gonna try to keep it as pretty as I can for as long as I can.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
To be honest with you guys, it did take a little bit of getting used to vacuuming the entire house with the vacuum, because growing up, when we had hard floors, we would just have la escoba. And for those that don't know, la escoba is Spanish for the broom. So that's what we would use for our hard floors. And that's what I started using first, but then we got hardwood floors throughout almost the entire house, and it was just so time consuming. I started using the vacuum for everything, and honestly it saves so much time. So Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. You're probably like, why is she not using la escoba? Why is she using the vacuum?
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all.
Okay, so this is everything after it's been cleaned and all the decor has been taken down. There wasn't much to start with, but the little that I had, I did take it down. I did leave the calendar. I want to go ahead and leave that till the end of the year. And this is everything that I put away. Like I said, it wasn't very much. Hopefully next year I have a lot more to decorate with. And over here in the kitchen, I cleared out everything except this home sweet home tray. I do want to decorate that for Christmas, so I left that there. And everything off the kitchen counters has now been removed. Like I've mentioned before, my house has very little decor in general, so hopefully that changes next year. But for now, I am super excited to start decorating for Christmas, so stay tuned for that video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Until next time.
Love, 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 the things I love. the things I love. Be one of the things